Dear students, today we are going to start our new chapter, chapter 8 pronouns. You have studied this chapter in previous class also. You all must be having previous knowledge related to this chapter. So we are starting this. What is pronoun? A pronoun is a word that is used in place of noun. We can see examples at the top. Oliver is a good boy. Oliver is a noun. Here you can see, and in place of Oliver, here it is used he. He is the pronoun. In next example, Janice wants to be a doctor. She likes to take care of people. This is the noun and this is the pronoun. So it clears a noun and pronoun. A pronoun is a word that is used in place of noun. There are different kinds of pronouns: personal, demonstrative, interrogative, reflexive, emphatic, and possessive. So very first we are starting this. First, personal pronoun. Here is the definition. Personal pronouns take the place of persons or things in a sentence. They can be used as the subject or the object of the sentence. When the words take place of persons or things, that is the personal pronoun. In example, you can see, my name is Anjali, I am a doctor. She said she will help me, I thanked her. Alright? The subject of a sentence does the action. You know very well, subject is the doer and subject does the action. The object of a sentence receives the action. You should tell him the truth. You subject hai and you is the pronoun. Alright? Should, tell, this is the verb. Him is the Here we can have the more examples. Personal pronouns have three types: first person, second person, third person. First person, who is speaking. The person who is being spoken to is called second. The person who is being spoken about is called third person. So this is a very important chart. You can see, in this we can see, here are the subject and here are the object, and all are here are the first person, second person, third person, and in this we can see the pronouns which are used in the place of noun. Okay. Now, second, demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns point directly to the object they refer to. Whenever we are talking about something, whenever we are pointing out something, like this is my pen, that is my bag, okay, these are my books, those are your books, that is what we are demonstrating. Something we are showing, okay, we are pointing out the things or the person. Fine. You can also see the example. This is teacher's house, and these are your clothes, those are apple trees. Alright, next we are coming to the third type, that is interrogative pronouns. Interrogative pronouns are used to ask the question. Whenever we are asking question to someone, we use question words, and question words like what, which, who, how. Alright, whenever we use these words, it makes a question. Okay. Fourth type, reflexive pronouns, and fifth, emphatic pronouns. We will carefully read this because there is a very small difference between these two type of pronouns. Alright, reflexive pronoun refer to the subject of the sentence. I hurt myself, she excused herself. The words myself, herself, himself, ourselves, yourselves, itself, what are these? These are the reflexive pronoun, and these are the personal pronouns. Okay, so what it is there? Subject, and there will be a verb or action, and after that reflexive pronoun. I hurt myself. But what happens in the emphatic pronouns? When subject plus emphatic pronoun, that means there is no word between subject and these pronoun words. We, ourselves, he, himself. Surprised to know the results. Emphatic pronoun are used for emphasize on the subject of the sentence. They follow a noun or the pronoun. When these words follow noun or pronouns, it becomes emphatic pronouns, and when there is a gap between subject and they do not follow directly to noun or pronoun, but it reflects, that is reflexive pronoun. So you have to learn this. Alright, this is the most important to learn, and there is a very slight difference between reflexive pronoun and emphatic pronoun, what I have told you. Okay, moving to the next type. We have already done 5 types. Alright, this is the 6th and the last type. Possessive pronouns are used to talk about things that belong to people. Means these are the pronouns which shows the possession, which shows the ownership of the things. Alright, first example, this desk is mine, the red bottle is his, and the blue one is hers. Okay, this is clearly showing that whose possession is there on which object or thing. Alright, and here also you can see personal pronoun I, me, uska possessive mine, he, him, she, her, possessive pronoun his, hers. So in this way you have to learn it, and you have to use the possessive pronouns. Alright, moving to the next. This is a quick rewind, or this is a quick revision. All 6 type of pronouns are there. Personal pronouns are used in the place of person or things. Example is given here. Also demonstrative, interrogative, reflexive, emphatic, and possessive. I hope you have understood all types of pronouns. Alright, thank you.